Good day, Mr. Lee. Today, I'm going to present the mini project for this subject. The codes have been successfully implemented based on the requirement. However, it was not successful with the photo start. When trying to test it on the robot, found that the robot was a bit unstable. It was okay initially, but slowly it was unable to align with the map. As such, this demo is carried out using Turtlebot3. This is the single launch file that launched Turtlebot, RVs, and the Python program. Resize the window. Using 2D NavGo to fix a waypoint for the robot. Now the program is reading the pose of the robot. The map has been switched from map 1 to map 2. When the robot stops, that is the waypoint that we're going to record. So go to the program on the bottom left-hand corner, select 1 to save the waypoint. Give the waypoint a name called 1. Now the waypoint has been saved into a .csv file. Now using 2D NavGo to fix a second waypoint. Now go to the Python program, bottom left-hand corner, select 1 to save the waypoint. Give the waypoint a name called 2. Now the waypoint has been saved into the .csv file. Mark the third waypoint. And again, now the map has been switched to map 1 again. Go to the Python program, select number 1 on the menu to save the waypoint. Give the waypoint a name called 3. The waypoint has been saved. Now mark waypoint number 4. Go to the Python program menu, select number 1 to save the waypoint. Give the waypoint a name called 4. The waypoint has been saved into the .csv file. Now mark waypoint number 5. Go to the Python program, menu, and select number 1. Give the waypoint a name called 5. Waypoint 5 has been saved into the .csv file. Right now, we're going to take a look at the .csv file. All the 5 waypoints has been saved into this file. Next, we're going to execute this 5 waypoints using the Python program. As you can see on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a menu. So we select option number 2 to execute this waypoint. We can select 1 to execute this 5 waypoint once. We can select 2, 3, 4. So we give the flexibility to this program. So not just 1, so you can select 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. There's no limit to it. Right now, the robot has reached point number 2 and move on to point number 3. And now moving on to point number 4. Those bars within the map are the virtual wall. The robot managed to overcome the virtual wall before reaching the destination. Now heading towards the final point, point number 5. All right, finally reached point number 5. In the Python program, also provide an option to delete the .csv file. Currently, the CSV file is there. Let's select number 3 to delete this file. Take a look. The file has gone. This will allow user to remove the file and create a new file whenever they have a new waypoint for the robots. Now let's demonstrate how to create a new .csv file. Just simply move the robot to a new location, save the waypoint, and the .csv file will be created automatically. Right now, we save the waypoint and give it a name called new point. Once you hit save, the file will be generated. Let's take a look. There you go. The new .csv file has been created. And the post that we have just recorded has been saved into this file. Right now, we're going to exit the program by selecting 4. That comes to the end of the demonstrations. the programs is working. If you find that there's any corruptions, feel free to contact me. In my submission, there will be map, README file, RV's configuration file, the launch file, and the Python code, and also including this video. Thank you. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you.